Hi everyone, Al. Today we've got a blocked up sink, and this one's unusual in that the waste pipe goes into a drain in the kitchen, and if yours is this particular type, then you may have more problems than you think you're going to have. Originally you might think it might be just a waste trap, but no, it's all clear. Now what it is, this particular pipe, if I show you down here with a torch, as you can see it goes into an open drain, and I cut this pipe out because that originally went down like so to reveal the drain. Now that is blocked down there on a curve, so I'm going to get a few plunges. Usually the best thing, if you try a rod first, or your hand if you want to, get it down there. But I always find a plunger like this is best, a drain rod plunger. Just get it down over the hole like so, and get a few pumps up and down, and you can hear it sucking, and it will push the water out. In fact, there it goes. Let it go. That should be clear now. Now if I show you the drain, if I take the camera, and you can see now that, it looks pretty clear down there now. Yep, that's gone. We'll go out now and have a look in the drain and see what's come out, shall we? In the drain, there's a few going down that hole, and as you can see, there's our blockage over there, and there it is pushed out into the drain. So that's all you need. Set of rods, usually a good old plunger, give it a good push, and the suction alone will push that out. So there it is. Now we've just got to clear that out, get down there now with our hands. Make sure you've got gloves on, of course, and we'll get that out, and that'll be it, job done. Well, there you are. There's what I've just pulled out of the drain there. Lovely, isn't it, eh? Don't be scared to get down in the drain. You've got to get down there to get it out. Alright, so don't be scared to get a bit mucky. Make sure you've got gloves on, that's the important thing. Alright, there you go. Alright, that was just a quickie from me. All my videos, you know where to go, DerrickTon33.com. Thanks for watching.